Viewers, unlawful arrests have been a matter of concern in India since pre-independence era. Now the situation has grown so serious that even sharing a post or a meme on social media platform might land you in jail. Therefore, knowing the rights of an arrested person is the need of the hour. So in this video, I'm going to talk about all the rights of an arrested person and the loophole of a right that is sometimes misused by the police party. So let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Biswajit Roy and you are watching Leader Lobbies. A voice empowers you. Viewers, an illegal arrest could be a result of many factors such as corruption, political vendetta, mistaken identity, fabricated forensic evidence, ignorance of legal rights, and what have you. Whatever the case may be, our legal system follows the legal principle that is, every person accused of crime is innocent until proven guilty. Therefore, even an arrested person is entitled to certain rights. Now let's see what they are. The first right of an arrested person is to know the grounds of his or her arrest. That is, a right to know the grounds of arrest. As per Article 22, Clause 1 of Indian Constitution and Section 50 of CRPC, the police officer who is in charge of such arrest has to inform the accused the grounds on which he or she is being arrested. Section 55 of CRPC also says, if a police official authorizes a subordinate to arrest a person without warrant, the junior official must inform the arrested person about the delegation of authority, along with the alleged crime and the grounds of the arrest. That means, if a senior police official gives order to his junior to arrest someone, then the junior police official has to show the order to the arrested person, in which his alleged crime and grounds will be mentioned. Then comes the second right, a right to be produced before the magistrate without unnecessary delay. Article 22, Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution provides that the police official making an arrest has to produce the arrested person before the magistrate within 24 hours of the arrest. Failing to do so would make him liable for wrongful detention. Also, Section 76 of CRPC states that the arrested person must be produced in court within 24 hours of his arrest, excluding the time which is required for the journey from the place of arrest to the magistrate court. Now the third right is the right to be released on bail. Section 50, Clause 2 of CRPC says that when a police officer arrests a person without warrant in a bailable offence, he must inform the arrested person that he is entitled to get released on bail, and he may arrange the guarantor or sureties on his behalf. Now the fourth right of an arrested person is the right to fair and just trial. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution states that everyone is equal before the law. Therefore, equal protection of law should be given to everyone without any discrimination. Now the fifth right is the right to consult a lawyer. Article 22, Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution states that every arrested person has the right to consult and be defended by a lawyer of his choice, right from the time of the arrest. Also, Section 41D of CRPC allows prisoners to be able to consult with their lawyers even during their interrogation, but not throughout the interrogation. Section 303 of CRPC allows every alleged convict to choose a lawyer of his choice, even after the proceedings have already initiated against him or her. The sixth right is the right to free legal aid. Article 39A of Indian Constitution states that the government shall provide free legal aid to extremely poor or needy to ensure the opportunities to reach justice is not denied due to their economic conditions or disabilities. Seventh right is the right to keep quiet. Section 161 of CRPC states that the arrested person may not answer the questions that expose him to a criminal charge or penalty, but he or she is bound to answer the questions in good faith pertaining to the case put against him or her by the officer. Then we have the eighth right is the right to be examined by a doctor. Section 54 of CRPC stipulates that an arrested person may request for medical examination of his body, which would prove that he did not commit the crime or which will establish the commission of offense by someone else against his body. Now, apart from the rights that I have already discussed, the arrested person has some additional rights as well. As per Section 55A of CRPC, the responsibility of the police official is to maintain the health care and the safety of the arrested person in the prison. This particular provision was established to prevent the brutalities and the inhuman treatment against the arrested person in the prison. Section 46 of CRPC asserts how an arrest is made. Under this section, if a person to be arrested surrenders himself or herself to the custody of the police official by word or action at the time of arrest and cooperates with the process, then the person need not be touched or confined by police officials. If such person forcibly resists the endeavor to arrest him or attempts to escape the arrest, such police officer or other person may use all means necessary to effect the arrest. Further, this provision says that police official must not cause death of the accused while trying to arrest the person, except when the person to be arrested is accused of an offense which is punishable with death or life imprisonment, or when the accused person is trying to unnecessarily resist his arrest by turning violent and aggressive, or when the accused is trying to escape the whole process. Viewers, this is the loophole that I was talking about. Please pay attention to the part of the provision which says police cannot cause death to anyone except when the person is accused of an offense which is punishable with death or life imprisonment. Not necessarily every accused person is proven guilty or convicted. Many get acquitted as well. However, this particular section is misused far too often and causes many extrajudicial killings. So that's all in today's video. To get notified on this kind of empowering videos by me, please subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching. Jai Hind.